Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video I am going to show you that how you can add download folder to your start menu in Windows 10 operating system. So for adding the downloads folder in your start menu, you have to go to settings, then you have to go to the option called personalization. Okay, after coming to the personalization, you will see in the option called start in the left side. So then you will see an option called choose which folder appear on start. So click on here. As you can see, so as you can see, here is a option called download. So it is now turned off, so I'm gonna turn it on. So if I turn it on, as you can see, the download folder is showing on my start. So this is how you can add download folder in start menu. So thank you guys, thanks for watching.